Hello friends, welcome to Ayurvedic channel The Indian PATHY. I am Dr. Khushbu Mishra and today we're going to talk on the topic vitamins. So let's start. First of all, let's understand what are vitamins. So vitamins are micronutrients. We already know what are nutrients. Nutrients are those foods which nourish our body. So vitamins, they come in the category of micronutrients. That means they are required in small amounts. So vitamins is an organic compound that is very essential. That means it's very important for our body and they are required in small quantities. That means small quantity of vitamins is sufficient for our body. Vitamins is derived from the word vitamins, which is given by Casimir Funk. That means scientist Funk was the main reason for this the word vitamins. That means Funk gave the word vitamins in 1912. Now we're going to see classification. How is vitamins actually categorized? Vitamins are classified into two types: vitamins, that is fat soluble vitamins, as well as water soluble vitamins. What are fat soluble vitamins? The fat soluble matlab those vitamins which are soluble in the fats but insoluble in the water are referred to as fat soluble vitamins, which includes vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin D and vitamin A. We can remember by the trick Kida, that is vitamin K, E, D, A are fat soluble vitamins. And what are water soluble vitamins? Water soluble vitamins are those vitamins which are soluble in the water but insoluble in the fat. So water soluble vitamins includes vitamin B and vitamin C. Vitamin B is further classified into complexes. So vitamin B as well as its complexes as well as vitamin C are some of the water soluble vitamins. Now each vitamins we are going to individually see. First we are going to start with the vitamin A. The vitamin A is referred to as retinol. The chemical name is retinol. What are the sources? That means which foods are rich in vitamin A? The sources which are rich in vitamin A includes carrots, papaya, liver oil, milk as well as butters are some of the vitamin A rich sources. The deficiency of vitamin A, that means if you do not take the vitamin A nutrients properly, so it may lead to xerophthalmia as well as night blindness. Now what is xerophthalmia? Xerophthalmia actually indicates dryness of the conjunctiva as well as the cornea of the eyes. That means the conjunctiva as well as the cornea of the eyes will get dried along with the inflammation. That means there will be inflammation in the eyes also. Night blindness, that means inability to see well at night or in the poor light. So this may occur because of vitamin A deficiency. Now we are going to see what is vitamin B. So vitamin B is further classified in its complexes, that is vitamin B1, vitamin B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, B12. Each one of them have their scientific name. That means each of them have their chemical name, different chemical names that we are going to see. First we are going to start with vitamin B1. So vitamin B1, the chemical name of it is thiamin. Now what is the sources? That means which food are rich in thiamin? Peas, plantains, whole grains are some of the sources which are rich in vitamin B1. And the deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi. Now what is beriberi? That is inflammation of the nerves is referred to as beriberi. Vitamin B2 is referred to as riboflavin. The sources of vitamin B2 includes dairy products, that means milk, butter, cheese and those products are actually rich in vitamin B2, that is riboflavin, as well as bananas are rich in riboflavin. Now deficiency of vitamin B2 causes chlosis as well as stomatitis. Now what is chlosis? Chlosis is actually referred to as cracks in one or both the corners of the mouth as well as inflammation. That means there will be swelling in the both the corners of the mouth as well as there will be cracks occurring in the sides of the mouth because of vitamin B2 deficiency. As well as stomatitis, that means stomatitis is inflammation of the mucous membrane. So this may occur because of low or insufficient vitamin B2 in the diet. Vitamin B3 we are going to see. Vitamin B3, the chemical name includes niacin. The sources of B3 are eggs, vegetables, meat are some of the sources which are rich in vitamin B3. And deficiency leads to pellagra. Now what is pellagra? Pellagra is referred to as dermatitis along with diarrhea, mental disturbance. So this combination of disease is referred to as pellagra. Dermatitis refers to, that is, inflammation of the skin along with diarrhea as well as mental disturbance. So these are accompanied in this pellagra disease. So this is caused because of niacin deficiency. Vitamin B5, the chemical name includes pantothenic acid. The sources of B5 are meat, fishes, grains, dairy products, legumes are some of the sources which are rich in vitamin B5, that is pantothenic acid. Deficiency disease of B5 includes muscle cramps, that is, there will be cramps in the muscles, as well as there will be paresthesia. Now what is paresthesia? Paresthesia is referred to as prickling or tingling sensations in the nerve region, as well as damage to the peripheral nerves. So this occur because of pantothenic acid deficiency. B6 is called as pyridoxine or pyridoxamine. The sources of B6 includes milk, yeast, egg, as well as grams. And deficiency disease includes conversions, that is fits or seizures, as well as anemia, that is low hemoglobin count, occurs because of vitamin B6 deficiency. Vitamin B7, the chemical name of vitamin B7 is referred to as biotin. The sources of biotin are legumes, eggs, yolk, nuts, seeds, and mushrooms. Deficiency disease of vitamin B7, that is biotin, causes neurological problems such as hypotonia, seizures, ataxia, as well as numbness. Now what is hypotonia? Hypotonia is nothing but abnormal low level of muscle tone. There will be a low level of muscle tone seen in this hypotonia condition. Seizures means fits, and ataxia means loss of full control of the bodily movements. That means the patient won't be able to have body control over his own body movements, as well as what is numbness? Numbness means no sensations. So this may occur because of biotin deficiency. Vitamin B9 is referred to as folic acid. The sources of B9, that is folic acid, includes beans, peanuts, sunflower seeds, as well as whole grains, as well as those foods which actually increase your blood count. Those foods are rich in folic acid. Deficiency disease causes anemia, that is low hemoglobin count. Vitamin B12 is referred to as cyanocobalamin, and sources of cyanocobalamin includes banana, apple, berries, as well as meat. Deficiency disease causes tiredness. That means because of low hemoglobin count, the patient may feel tired again and again. Lightheadedness, they may feel a little bit headache. The patient may actually face headache, as well as anemia, that means low hemoglobin count. Vitamin C, the chemical name of vitamin C is called as ascorbic acid. Sources of ascorbic acid includes all the citrus fruits, as well as amla, and all those vitamin C rich foods are actually rich in vitamin C. Deficiency disease causes scurvy. Scurvy means the gum starts bleeding in such disorder. So scurvy is used as an antioxidant. So scurvy may actually lead because of vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin D, the chemical name of vitamin D includes calciferols, and the sources of calciferols are exposure to sunlight. That means sunlight itself is the main source of vitamin D, as well as egg and fish. So if the patient is exposed to sunlight, what happens is the sunlight helps in formation of the vitamin D in the body. So sunlight is the main source. As well as deficiency disease, we are going to see what is deficiency disease of vitamin D. Rickets and osteomalacia in the children are nothing but they are deficiency disease of vitamin D. What is rickets? Rickets is the disease related to bones. That means in such disease the bones become soft and badly formed. That means there'll be disformation of the bones in the case of rickets. And osteomalacia, that is, osteomalacia refers to deformation of the bone similar to rickets. So this occurs because of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin E, vitamin E is called as tocopherol, and the sources of tocopherol includes wheat oil, nuts, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, some of the sources which are rich in vitamin E. And deficiency of vitamin E causes muscular weakness. There will be weakness in the muscles, as well as sterility. There will be inability to conceive. So these are the deficiency disease caused because of vitamin E. Vitamin K, the chemical name of vitamin K includes phylloquinone. So the chemical name is phylloquinone, and the sources of the vitamin K includes green leafy vegetables. Deficiency disease of the vitamin K are increased blood clotting time. That means the blood won't clot at the proper time. There will be increased blood clotting time because of deficiency of vitamin K. So this was all about vitamins. Till then, keep liking, sharing and subscribing our channel for more videos. Keep supporting our channel. Thank you so much.